What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB in the place to be. Back with another joint. Supposed to be doing the bite work on here. Let me show you this first, but right now I'm not doing the bite work. But it's a little rust around here. Little dents there. Nothing major though. Nothing major at all. Little separation right here. And it's for sale too. 5,500. Or best offer. Showing you something I'm working on. Finna paint them up back the same blue. And I'm also working on this Lexus over here too. I'm doing a hood over here. I'm repainting this hood. It flew up and I got that boy back together. Never thought I could, but I did it. Show y'all what I'm doing in here. I'm actually putting the TVs in the back seat and the headrest on both of them. TVs and the headrest, I'm installing them right now. So I'm gonna install the TV radio. That's what I'm doing right now at the moment. So I'm gonna catch you guys once I get everything installed. Peace. What up, YouTube? It's your boy MB. Got the TV in. I gotta put the bracket in there. TV's in the back. TV's in the headrest. There we go. You know, I'm bad with them keys, man. Sick of the shit from the back. Here we go. TV's installed. NBC. Catch y'all on the next one.